What it do, YouTube, is your boy Heavy Crypto. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can take advantage of triangular crypto arbitrage on Kucoin. Of course, we're going to do some live trades, and I'll show you how exactly you can get these triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities right here in this video. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So if you are familiar with this scanner, you already know that you just have to put some settings and click apply, and you're gonna get some signals, right? So right, you have to identify your markets. So in this case, we're using USDT because USDT has got a lot of pairs. So right, you have to put the amount that you want to trade with. You can trade up to any amount. For example, if you've got like 1000 USD, you can simply put 1000 USD right here. But in this video, we're just going to use 100 USD like this. All right. So right, you have to indicate the number of opportunities that you want to get from Kucoin crypto exchange. So for example, right here, I want to see the top 7 triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities that are available at this moment as I'm recording this video from Kucoin, right? So these are the settings for auto trading. So we're just gonna leave them blank like this, and right here you're gonna have to disable auto trading. And tomorrow the auto trading video is coming, whereby I'm gonna show you how exactly you can put a secret key and API keys and stuff like that. I already made a video last week explaining about all this stuff, and I showed you how exactly you can do this. But today we're just gonna focus on manual trading. So right here, we're just gonna leave it disabled, and we're just gonna go ahead and click apply. So it's just gonna scan and give us triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities. Then we're gonna jump into my phone and start trading already. So you can see that we've got really good arbitrage opportunities right here. We've got AMPL, waves, XMR. I mean, these are the top 7 triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities that I can take right now. You already know the rules. We have to take advantage of these triangular crypto arbitrages within 5 minutes. So this is what I got. This is the top 7 from Kucoin. So we're just gonna jump right into it and take a live trade, whereby I'm gonna show you how exactly we make money with this triangular crypto arbitrage. So I can take this opportunity right here, whereby I'm gonna have to get some USDTs, then buy some waves, and then convert waves to BTC, then sell BTC to USDT. And with this kind of opportunities, you'll find out that the opportunity is actually between waves to BTC. All right, so at this time, we're just gonna jump right into it and take advantage of it, because we only have at least 5 minutes to take advantage of this triangular crypto arbitrage. So let's jump right into my phone. All right, guys, so right now we're in my phone, so we're just gonna go ahead and take advantage of this triangular crypto arbitrage. As you already know that we have to do it at least within 5 minutes. You know what I mean? So I've got 100 USD right here in my wallet, and this is the amount that we're gonna use to do this triangular crypto arbitrage. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. Right here, I'm on spot trading, and we need to buy some waves. All right, using this USDT that I have. So I'm just gonna search right here. Waves is this one right here on top. All right, waves. Sorry, waves. This one right here on top. So we're just gonna spend 100% of our available balance that we have in our wallet. You know what I mean? Let's take a buy like this. All right, but thing is, I don't want to wait and stuff like that, because I don't really have time. So that's why I always use a market order, because it's fast and transaction is done immediately. It doesn't really matter whether you use limit order or market order, because we still make our money. All right, we still make our profit. So we're just gonna spend 100% and get some waves. All right, so right now you can see that we have got some waves in our wallet. Right, you can see this amount of waves that we have, 97 waves. So we're just gonna go to waves to BTC. All right, waves like this, waves to BTC right here. And hold on, waves to BTC, this one right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and sell 100% of our waves to BTC like this, and boom, now we have some BTC. All right, so we're gonna have to to sell that BTC back to USDT, and that's how we're gonna make some profit. All right, back to BTC. As you can see, I've got some BTC right now, so we're gonna go to BTC to USDT, BTC to USDT, right here in on top, right here, and we're just gonna sell our BTC to USDT. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put 100% like this and click sell BTC to USDT. So let's check how much money we're making. Goodbye. Yeah, now you can see that we made at least 5.37 worth of USDT. We started with 100 USD, and we ended up making at least 5.37 worth of USDT. So this is how easy it is, guys, to take advantage of this triangular crypto arbitrage. All you have to do is to swap these coins. And guys, if you want this scanner, you can just go to heavycryptouniversity.online right here and scroll down, and you're gonna find this scanner under trading indicators and tools. Right here is called Heavy Crypto Triangular Crypto Arbitrage Scanner right here, and right now is on a discount, at least 30% discount, and this is only for this week. And if you want to take your trading career to another level, then I recommend you guys to check out Web.3 Masterclass, and this course covers pretty much anything about crypto trading and stuff like that. And if you're a beginner, make sure you check out Crypto for Beginners right here, and this course is going to help you to understand Bitcoin standard and everything. And if you're a developer, make sure you check out Smart Contract Development course, and this course is going to help you out to introduce you to Ethereum smart contracts. And if you want to book me for one-on-one, guys, make sure you check out one-on-one mentorship program, whereby I'm going to train you every day for a week and stuff like that. Whether you want to talk about triangular crypto arbitrage and stuff like that, or futures trading and all that, make sure you check out one-on-one mentorship program. And this is a program for 1 week, whereby I'm going to be seeing you every day and stuff like that, depending on your availability. So guys, this is it. My name is Arthur, and the link to Heavy Crypto University online is also going to be in the description below as well. Therefore, so the video, thank you for watching and all that good stuff, and make sure you like and subscribe and all that. So therefore, I'll send the video. Love and peace, guys. Cheers.